If your Honda Pilot's air conditioner isn't cooling, you're not alone. Let's look at the most common reasons it happens, and what you can do about it. First, check your AC settings. Make sure the temperature is set to cold and the fan is on high. Still not working? Next, listen for the AC compressor. If you don't hear it click on, there might be an issue with the compressor or its fuse. Another common problem is low refrigerant. If your system is low, the AC can't cool the air. This usually happens from a leak. A mechanic can check and refill it safely. Dirty cabin air filters can also block cool air. If your filter is clogged, replace it. It's an easy fix you can do yourself. Sometimes electrical problems are to blame. Faulty switches or blown fuses can stop your AC from working. Check your fuse box and replace any blown fuses. Finally, if all else fails, it could be a bigger issue like a broken AC compressor or bad condenser. At that point, it's best to visit a trusted mechanic. With a few simple checks, you might fix your AC fast. Stay cool, and good luck.